Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful na meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Mega mega shoutout po sa aking mga pinakamahal na soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa mga panig ng mundo na lagi nanonood. Nababasa ko po mga comments nyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, ay wag na wag niyo pong kakalimutan na mag-comment. Nagbabasa ko ng mga comments and of course, nagre-reply ako. Like niya rin at i-share, of course. Wag na wag niyong kakalimutan na i-subscribe po. Yan ang pong tulong na hihingin ko po para sa inyo. Ating pong reading ngayon ay alamin natin ang maging kapalaran. Ano bang dapat nating abangan sa buwan ng February. Okay? So, next week is February na. Para sa mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries. Okay? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Takes what only resonates for you. Kapag hindi kayo naka-resonate, ay hanapin nyo yung energy sa ibang reading at sa mga ibang readers dito sa YouTube. Okay? And sige. Ayun. Last shuffle natin, Aries. Sige. Kunin natin ang isang pong baraha. Huwag nating patagalin pa. Okay, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for February 2026. Reading for Aries. Okay, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 baraha please para sa Aries. Ayun, nahulog. Okay, isa, dalawa, tatlo. 7 cards more. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 7 cards please for Aries. Okay. Sa mga bago po dyan, baka magtaka po kayo o baka man-notice nyo ba't parang ang gulo, parang ang kalat niya mag-shuffle. Don't worry, dyan po ako komportable, dyan po tayo confident, dito po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang baraha na nakaka-resonate po ang karamihan. Okay, so we have 4 cards left, 4 cards to go. Ayun, may nahulog na naman. Ito, tatlong cards pa. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 3 cards please for Aries. Ayun, nakita nyo? So, 1. Okay, itong maraming balik ko to. Isa lang kinuha ko. So, dalawa pa. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 2 cards for Aries. February 2026 reading. Okay, then last one. Kunin ko na to para naka-uslit. Okay. Your 10 cards are now complete, Aries. Ayusin ko lang to at wag na natin patagalin pa because I know that you are waiting and you're so excited. Okay, Aries, February 2026. Let's begin your reading with the 5 of Wands. So, February 2026, Aries, merong cooperation, merong collaboration ako nakikita dito para sa inyo. So, siguro, lalabas kayo sa comfort zone nyo, magiging confident kayo this February. In fact, na parang kung dati parang mahiyain kayo, ngayon talagang lalakasan mo ng loob mo na para magbuo ng network. So, it is necessary, kailangan ito sapagkat now we cannot do things alone. Although, kahit gaano tayo kagaling, kahit gaano tayo ka-skillful, hindi lahat ng bagay ay makakaya natin gawin by our own or by ourselves. So, we need to collaborate or to cooperate with other people na skillful din or aligned din dyan sa mga bagay na gusto mo or ginagawa mo or minamaster mo. So, February, you will be busy with reconnecting or communicating with other people wherein malaki may tutulong sa growth mo at the same time para mas lalong ma-develop ang yung or ma-master ang iyong skills. Okay? So, pangalawa is 4 of Swords. Counts February, you will be enjoying yourself. Parang ito yung magiging me time mo. So, ibig sabihin, February, Aries, so you will be having time. Although, sabi ko nga, mabibisi ka sa pag-reconnect ng tao, but you don't need to forget to have yourself, kumbaga, a rest time. Okay, kailangan ito. So you need to also to set your goals at the same time ayusin ang lahat, yung mga plano mo, yung schedule mo. Kailangan mag-set ka talaga ng araw, mga time para at least for yourself to recharge or to regain your energy kasi baka mamaya kung sobrang busy natin sa pakikipag-collaborate sa mga tao, pakikipag-usap, mamaya wala na tayo ng oras sa pag-aalaga sa sarili. That's why February, these 4 of Swords, Aries is reminding you to have time to at least make time for yourself to relax and enjoy also. Okay? So, Oh, pangatlo, so this is a page of pentacles. If you are waiting for something big na minamanifest mo for a long time, February will be the culmination. Makikita mo ang bunga nito because here, you're holding a pentacle, so it's like a wish granted. You will be happy because of the vibrant color yellow color of joy. So, you will be getting it kung ano man yan. So, if you're expecting promotion, but although Aries ang Pentacles, it's all about money, but kumbaga, it surrounds or it compasses all aspects. Ibig sabihin, pati sa not only finances, your career, love life, everything. So, February, it will blossom or talaga magiging maganda ang takbo nito para sa'yo. Okay? So, pang-apat, so look at this one. Partnership talaga. So February, this is the best time for partnership. Also, if you're thinking of opening something or magbabalik ka magnegosyo, magpa-promote, move to other place, so buy a new thing, buy a property. So this is the best time because talagang maganda ang environment sa February para sa iyo, Aries. So nakikita natin talagang you need partner. So, if maybe may nakikita rin kang Aris na sa February ay mabubuntis or magkakaroon ng additional member of the family, pa kumbaga yung siguro yung business mo magba-branch out or kung anything na mag-a-add. Okay, so that's why makaka-resonate talaga kayo dito if you are in a relationship. At the same time, kung single ka man, if you are working on something na you are planning na magparamihin or i-multiply ito. Okay? So, Aris, panglima is the Temperance card. So, comes February, you will be more confident. Sabi ko nga, lalabas ka na sa comfort zone mo. Ipapakita mo na ang galing mo, lalong-lalo na sa communication, sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-transact sa ibang tao because you will be busy. Sabi ko sa pakikipag-partnership, pakikipag-transact. So this Temperance card, this February, will be a very busy month for you, but you don't need to worry because you will be so confident. So parang wala kang kaba, wala kang takot na you will be facing everyone, haharapin mo lahat ng mga hamon sa buhay, haharapin mo lahat ng mga sitwasyon in a very positive way. So you will be carrying a very positive vibes this February, Aries, and that is kailangan mo yan para, kasi kapag confident ang isang tao na humarap sa kapwa or sa community, napapansin niya ng karamihan. So, it also attracts positive vibes. Siyempre, kapag confident tayo, maybe it will be misinterpreted na parang overconfident naman siya. No, it's better than kaysa naman pessimistic or negative thinker ka. So, Aries, February will be a very good month for you in terms of confidence. So, manunumbalik yung, kumbaga, for the past months, for the past days, parang medyo low moral ka. But this February, you'll be gaining momentum in terms of confidence. Biglang lalakas ulit ang loob mo, makikita ulit, you will be smiling again. So, it's like your face will be shining again. It will be radiating. Mapapansin niya ng karamihan, Aries. Okay? So, I hope na susundan nyo, ha? This is a very beautiful reading. Again, kapag naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo, like and share. Of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's continue para sa yung February 2026 reading, Aries, with your 6th card. Nasa second row na tayo. High Priestess. So, February, Aries, your intuition will be very active. So, expect mo na sa February, actually, itong mga nakarang araw, nangyayari na to sa inyo. Siguro, ang lakas lagi ng kutob niyo at napapansin niyo nangyayari. Parang nasisense niyo yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid. So, it will be normal. You will, it's lalong-lalo na, I forgot pala, Aries, because today, January 26, Neptune, which is the planet of dreams, and dreams and what is this, mysticism, parang ganon, ay magmo-move from Pisces sa inyong bahay sa Aries. So, expect na parang may iba karamihan sa inyong Aries, parang makakaramdam ng something weird, parang mag-goosebumps kayo, parang makakarinig-rinig kayo ng mga something, yung mga panaginip niyo, magiging vivid, magiging parang matatandaan nyo, makakapanaginip kayo ng mga pumanaw na sa buhay, parang weird, something like that. Expect that this February, but this week mag-start na yan, lalong-lalo na mag-move si Neptune sa inyo Aries from Pisces, okay? So, baka mamaya, ano bang meron, bakit parang weird? That's normal for you, okay? That's why kapag nangyari yan or naranasan mo yan, hindi ka magtataka. So you won't be surprised and you will be embracing it like a normal thing. Okay? So, seven, as pang pito mong bara is the nine of cups. So it's like, Aries, there will be stability in terms of everything for you. Comes February. Stability, magiging matatag ang pundasyon ng iyong relationship, love life, career, sa trabaho. So everything goes, it will be very smooth for you. So here you are, talagang magiging okay ang lahat. Ano man ang gawin mo, ano man ang planuhin mo, it will go on your favor. So there's no need to worry. Comes February, you will be busy in working something on a skill and a craft na gustong-gusto mo makuha para makadagdag dyan sa mga cups sa taas na naipon mo na or gusto mong iniipon mo pa. Okay? So, you will be, look at this one. So, ibig sabihin nitong Nine of Cups comes February is like, aside from stability, you will be gaining follower, followers or following. So may mga taong hahanga sa iyo, you will be inspiring a lot of people because of this situation na makakamtan mo. Okay? Ooh. Pangwalo Aries, also, lumabas na naman siya. Kanina yung Four of Swords, you need to rest. So, this one is the Nine of Swords. So, this is a reminder for you na sa February kung meron pa ring mga bagay na pinagkakabisihan ka na nagde-drain ng energy mo na it's not contributing for your growth, you need to cut it now. May ilang araw ka pang natitira this January. Huwag mo nang dalhin to sa February. Aries, I am telling you because it will drain your energy. So, may mga bisyo ba? May mga habit kayo na ulit-ulit nyo na ginagawa na hindi naman nakakapag-contribute sa yung growth. So, you need to detach from it. Mga tao, sitwasyon, ng parang ini-entertain mo pa but you know that it's not working for you anymore. So you need to make a way. Kailangan mo ng kumilos at gumawa ng paraan para tapusin yan at iiwan yan this January. At comes February, you need to face February full of a life full of positive vibes na iniwan mo na lahat ng mga negativities, toxicities this month of January. Okay? Kasi para sa'yo, Aries, parang yung February yan pa lang yung New Year para sa'yo. Parang yan pa lang ka magsisimula eh. So, pang-siyam ng bara, ito nga, Ace of Swords. So, new beginning talaga ang February para sa'yo. Siyempre, di ba pag New Year, gusto natin iiwan, we want to leave all the negativities for the past year. So, ganun dito. Sabi ko, ulitin ko, comes February, there's a Ace of Swords. So, para sa'yo, Aris, may new beginning talaga, new chapter, new choices, new opportunities that will be opening for you. But sabi ko, kailangan mong iiwan sa mga natitirang araw pa, Aris, itong mga bagay na naghihinder, nagpo-block sa mga manifestations mo or sa mga sa mga blessings na dapat ay talaga mabilis na nagpo-flow para sa iyo. But sabi ko nga, with the Nine of Cups, it will be a very fruitful month para sa iyo, magiging successful month to para sa iyo. But ulitin ko, just need to leave all those negative and toxic habits na maaaring ginagawa mo, and you need to face February, a new month with it's like a renewed na bagong ikaw na parang kinalimutan mo. Although siguro hindi mahirap, hindi madali na ang paglayo or unti-unting pagtanggal yung mga bagay na yan kasi naging komportable ka dyan, but it is necessary, kailangan yan gawin. Aries, para lang sa ikabubuti mo. Okay? Lalong-lalo na it's for a long-term growth na hinahangad mo or hinahanap mo. Okay? Tapusin natin, 10th and last card, February 2026, Aries will be very, very good for you in terms of money. So look at this one. This is the Queen of Pentacles. You don't need to worry. Hindi ka mag-worry sa finances. Siguro itong Ten of Swords, yung may mawo-worry ka pero ibang bagay, mga minor lang na bagay. But in terms of finances, resources, you don't need to worry, Aries. Magiging smooth ang flow para sa'yo, magiging maganda ang takbo ng mga businesses mo, magandang magiging performance mo sa trabaho, kung ano man yan, so there will be promotion, everything. And this Queen of Pentacles is a confirmation from the universe that Aries, February will be a very successful month, successful and productive month para sa'yo. Okay? That's it. Ang napakagandang reading natin for February 2026 para sa mga Aries. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Aries ang makaparoon nito ngayon. At kapag nakaresonate po kayo na gusto niyo pang ating video, don't forget to comment, like, and share of course. Wag na wag niyo pong kalimutan i-subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Mga pinamahal kong soulmates, nasa man kayo ngayon na naroroon, ano mo pang ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.